In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an image from Google Drive. Whether you're looking to share stunning photos with your friends or want to use images in a blog post or website, hosting them online is a crucial step. Let's dive into this simple process and get your images ready for the world to see. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to Google Drive by typing Google Drive into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the Drive interface loads, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. If you're new to Google Drive, don't worry, the layout is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Next, you need to locate the image you want to host. If you've already uploaded it, just scroll through your files, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. Once you have located the image, you'll need to click on it to select it. This will highlight the file and bring up a variety of options for sharing and managing it. Now that your image is selected, turn your attention to the top of the page and click on the gold colored share icon represented by a small figure and a plus sign. You'll now open the share settings for this image, which is where we'll adjust permissions to make it accessible to others. Initially, most files in Google Drive are set to restricted, meaning only you or specific people you've shared the file with can view it. To change this, click on restricted. This will bring up additional sharing options. In the new menu, select anyone with the link. This change allows anyone who has the link to view your image, making it publicly accessible. After setting the permissions to anyone with the link, it's time to copy the link for this image. Simply click on copy link, which will place the link on your clipboard. You can now use this link to share your image wherever you need to. To transform this link into a permalink that is more web ready, we're going to use a service called gdirl.com. Open a new tab in your browser and type in gdirl.com to access the site. Once the page loads, paste the link you copied from Google Drive into the URL box on gdirl. Click on Create Permalink, and in just a few seconds you'll receive a new link that directly hosts your image. This new link is perfect for embedding into emails or websites, as it provides a direct path to your visual content. Lastly, if you ever need a local copy or want to check the link's functionality, click on Download. This ensures everything is set up correctly and your image is hosted properly. And there you have it, a straightforward method to host your images from Google Drive, making them easily accessible for whatever purposes you may need. Now you can share your images confidently and widely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.